What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Well, it is Shiba Inu time. Shiba Inu, the Shibarium ecosystem, and none other than the Bone token have fallen back down after a completely astronomical rise to about $2.50. Some charts show Bone reaching a high of about $3. That being said, we've come all the way down to $1.02, but some people in the Shiba Inu ecosystem tend to believe that this is just the beginning before a rally starts again. So, Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so let's get straight into the article. So, like Hobbs said, a vital piece of the growing Shiba ecosystem is Bone, and it could have a major move. So, You Today notes that the potential development could come after what was weeks of underperformance by the digital asset. On February 21st, Bone saw highs of 201, mostly due to the anticipation of Shibarium's release, but it's fallen almost 100% from that high, and it's trading right around the dollar mark, as Hub said in the intro, but something bigger might be brewing. The development of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and Shibarium has shown that Bone could have a major move on the horizon. Specifically, a look back shows that the week's performance could be set up to potentially turn around. The report states that the daily RSI for the token is progressing to 30 oversold levels. So if you don't know about RSI, I believe I made a video on this channel about RSI, so make sure you check that out. But when it reaches those oversold conditions, there's a chance that Bone could have a relief rally, which some people call it a dead cat bounce. Still, Bone must first get past the key daily MA50 or moving average 50 barrier, which stands at about $1.15 in order to continue the uptrend. Moreover, the barrier at the daily moving average of 200 is at $1.36 and could prevent the token from going any further upward. And conversely, if these levels are all overcome, Bone could reach its high of $2.10. Additionally, the report notes that Bone's consolidating in a specific range for several weeks could make its case for a stronger movement. However, it does seem to have built support at the $1 mark. And so, I mean, let me just break this down for anybody who doesn't know TA, right? So RSI, moving average, and RSI being relative strength index, moving averages, the MAs, the 50, the 200. Look, it's all cool, but they don't move price, right? Buyers and sellers move price. Yes, some traders look at those barriers as potential selling points. However, at the end of the day, what's most important is support, resistance, buyers, sellers, true price action. I don't put much stock in all these indicators because they're lagging and they don't really tell you the full story. They only look at what's happened in the past in terms of what has happened on the chart for price, but not the way that I like to look at it. So to me, I mean, this doesn't tell me that Bone's going anywhere, but Hobbs, is Bone going to recover?
I think Bone will absolutely recover, but I don't think Bone's going to recover for the reasons in this article. I think the reasons in this article are trying to make a mountain out of a molehill using technical analysis jargon, right? Technical analysis is definitely a tool to help you in your feet against price action. But ultimately, you need volume to come in. You need most of that volume to be bullish volume. Right now, we're getting volume coming in, but most of it is selling pressure. What really needs to happen is Shibarium needs to finish. Shibarium needs to not be in beta. They need to be done. When they're done and Bone is officially the gas of the Shibarium ecosystem, then and only then will we truly see the real price action of Bone. Again, I'm not here to quote unquote piss in your lemonade, but I am here to tell you the truth, right? I am here to let you know that Bone will move, in my opinion, but things have to be executed. What we've seen thus far is the farce pumps. We've seen the buy the rumor, sell the news 2 times over. We sold the news, and now we're trying to find a new floor until the next news comes out. What really needs to happen for us to truly see the price action of Bone is Shibarium has to be finished. But I could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we pump to $10 tomorrow. I don't know. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below because you're smarter than myself and Justin. That being said, my name is T. Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. And we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.